Hello everyone, this is Soumya and you're watching The Global Tale. It will help you get a flat and a toned belly, and you need to do it just for 7 minutes, 1 hour prior to your bedtime. Doing it before 1 hour of your bedtime actually boosts your metabolism for the next entire day and you burn a lot of fat. But before heading towards the challenge, let's give a shout out to all the members of GGT who take up our challenges, get some amazing results out of it. Lots and lots of congratulations and keep going. And rest of you who want to send their results, they can send it to me on Instagram. I will share it with everyone so that they can also get motivated. Also hit the subscribe button and the notification bell along to never miss any update from my channel. Now let's begin with the workout. So for the first exercise, you need to lift your lower body up, and we are going in the half bridge position. Make sure of doing it for the next 60 seconds. While you take your body upside, you need to breathe in, and when you take it down, you have to breathe out. It is a core activating exercise that will make sure that your core gets activated for the rest of the exercises that we are going to do today. After that, you have to keep your lower body up, and being in half bridge position and keeping your toes upside, you have to lift one of your legs at a time. This will take a lot of your core strength and highly targets your lower belly. Again, you need to do it for the next 60 seconds. About the breathing technique, make sure of breathing in when you lift your leg and releasing when you come down. After this, lift your legs and keep it in L position. Make sure that your toes are pointed, because when your toes are pointed, you feel more effect on your lower belly. Then one by one, we are going to switch between the legs. Stretch it up. Make sure that your toes are pointed. Stretch it to about 30 degrees. And you will see that it has a very burning effect in your lower belly when you are going to do it for the next 60 seconds. After this, we are going to do an alternate bicycle crunch. Herein, we are not moving our upper body, keeping it firm and straight. We are just moving the lower body, targeting the core, the lower body, internal and external obliques. We are going to do this for the next 60 seconds. People having cervical pain or migraine can avoid lifting their upper body. Now after that, we are going to do these twisted crunches, wherein you sit up and twist your body. This will make sure that your internal and external obliques gets onto moving, and make sure that your body gets toned and refined results. We are going to do it for 60 seconds. No specific breathing techniques involved here because we want you to breathe as much as you can during this exercise. You can take a rest of 5 to 6 seconds once after every 20 to 30 seconds of exercise. That you can do with all the exercises mentioned in this workout plan. Once after every 20 to 30 seconds, you can take a break of 5 to 6 seconds. Now hold yourself in a baby position. There are two types of stretches that you can do. This will actually help you to get a very deep and flawless sleep during the night. That's being very, very important in your weight loss journey and your fat loss program. After that, we are going to do these baby crunches, wherein your legs are positioned in that baby pose itself and you are going to sit up and down. Very basic exercise. It takes a lot of your core and helps you get a toned and a flat belly. You are going to do it for next 60 seconds. And that's it. After that, we are just going to cool down our body, deactivate the core that we've activated in this session by doing some downward dog stretch, and then going into the child pose, and then going into the cobra pose again and the child pose again. So this is a simple cool down routine that you have to follow after following these exercises to make sure that you have a better and a sound sleep today. So yes, that's it about the workout today. I hope you will find it useful. Do it for next 2 weeks and share your results with me on Instagram or on mail. I would love to see them and will definitely forward it and motivate others as well to follow up this challenge and the other challenges. And yes, that's it about this video. I hope you will find it useful. Bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon, because only then you will get updated about all my videos. So yes, bye bye. Stay fit, stay happy. I look forward to your results.